Now, out of the refrigerator, I'm gonna grab 1 package of chicken tenders, 3/4 of a pound to 1 pound, and I'm gonna grab the components of buffalo wings, hot sauce and butter. Although these are gonna be a lot more figure-friendly than a big old basket of wings. Not that there's anything wrong with a big old basket of wings, especially when you're watching a game. But, you know, we girls especially, we gotta think about what we're gonna look like after the game. So I'd rather eat some nice white meat chicken tenders with a little butter and hot sauce than a big old basket of fried chicken. So I'm going to get a little oil in this pan and combine it with the butter so that the butter can come to a higher cooking temperature. I don't have the pan on screaming hot like the beef. This is moderate heat. Still, I don't want the butter to burn. I want that nice butter flavor all over the chicken. Grab a butter knife here, get a couple of chunks of that in there. Now, I'm using chicken tenders because, of course, they're practically fat-free. They're all white meat. They're right from the back of the chicken breast. Slicing a couple tablespoons of butter into thin pats so it melts evenly. So the chicken tenders, I think, are perfect for 30-minute meals because half your chopping is done for you. These aren't chopped at all. This is the way the tenderloin occurs in nature. See there? It's halfway there to slicing and dicing it into bite-sized pieces. So I could just mound up all my tenders, run my knife through it once, and it cuts the chopping time down in half. You just want nice bite-sized pieces, and I got a big mouth, so I'm making pretty big chunks here. Then I'm gonna get those into my combination of butter and oil there. Looks just about good to go there. I'm just gonna give it a little shake with the back of my hand to evenly distribute that fat. Set it right down in there. Nice. And we're gonna get a nice light browning on these. They'll only be in the pan 2 or 3 minutes before we add the hot sauce to them. That's our next layer of flavor. These cook up so quick, too. I just love chicken tenders. Got a little pepper in there, going for a little salt. Let's get building a better salad. So yeah, every once in a while, I'm just like, oh yeah, that was a good idea. Buffalo chicken salad, good idea. Awesome dinner any night of the week. And you could certainly use one of the low-fat or reduced-fat ranch dressings that are available in the store if you want to lighten this dish up even more. But I figure I'm already sacrificing by not having the deep-fried chicken wings, so I can just go nuts with the full-fat ranch dressing. Now I'm gonna jazz it up and put in some big crumbles of blue cheese. Yummy yum. I never met a cheese I did not like in my life. Now, my sister, she doesn't care for strong cheeses like a blue cheese. If you don't care for them either, you could certainly crumble up some sharp cheddar and it would be great in there. But blue cheese married to that buffalo, oh, unbelievable. I just think of the two flavors as going just hand in hand. The hot sauce, the butter, and the nice blue cheese. Boy, this is an especially rich blue cheese here, so I'm really having to work to kind of break it up a little. Excellent. Now let me just stir that to combine with a little spoonula, as I like to call them. Just kind of get that in there and break it up a little bit more. Mix her all up. Excellent. Now that is good to go. We'll put it on the side there. Hearts of romaine. I love this. Chopped hearts of romaine. All you gotta do is open the sack and drop it. Cool, huh? Couple of ribs of celery. Just gonna give these a quick rinse. And we'll get these chopped up and in there. Man, smells good. Okay, just take the very ends off there. Run my knife through that. Okay. So I'm gonna add some shredded carrots right from the sack to my salad. Now I'm gonna get this all tossed together. I want that dressing to be on there and coating every piece of lettuce and celery and carrot evenly so it's a good base for my nice spicy chicken tenders. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna get to work and start tossing. I have got some beautiful chicken tenders, all white meat chicken, that I cooked up in a combination of oil and butter. And I let them saute up a few minutes first, just lightly browning them. Then I added a 1/4 cup of hot sauce to the pan. And then I let them finish cooking for another 5 or 6 minutes there. These nice bite-sized pieces. I'm just gonna get that down over the top.